If you have ever felt frustrated juggling multiple tools just to get one product design completed, you are not alone. Many teams spend more time switching between design apps, whiteboards, and developer handoff tools than actually creating. That is where Pixso comes in. It is a platform built to simplify product design by combining everything from interface design and digital whiteboards to AI-powered assistants in one place. For teams who want smoother collaboration and less clutter in their workflow, Pixso could be a game changer. Pixso is designed to streamline product creation from the first sketch to the final prototype. Imagine starting with a blank whiteboard where you and your team can brainstorm ideas in real time, mapping out journeys, drawing diagrams, and attaching hyperlinks for quick navigation. With digital whiteboards integrated into the same platform as your design tools, you never lose context. Once the ideas take shape, you can move directly into designing applications or websites. The platform includes tools like customizable styles, Boolean operations, and component variants to speed up repetitive tasks. The Smart Pen and Mask tool help build detailed graphics with precision. Prototypes feel natural thanks to smooth transitions, animations, and curve adjustments that make user flows come alive. Collaboration is another major strength. Team members can leave comments right on the design, edit together in real time, and pull assets from a shared library to keep the visual identity consistent. When it's time to pass the project to developers, Pixso makes the handoff seamless with code views and batch exports, eliminating the back-and-forth confusion. The real star, however, is the AI-powered Boost. At the click of a button, you can generate assets, dialogue samples, flowcharts, and even mind maps. Need a quick presentation for stakeholders? Pixso can create PowerPoint slides with AI, saving you hours of manual work. It's not just design software, it's a creative partner. The best part is that Pixso is now available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. That means a single purchase gives you access forever, without ongoing subscription costs. For design teams, startups, and even freelancers, this is an opportunity to cut expenses while upgrading workflow. If you're ready to stop switching between tools and start building faster, more collaborative designs, the Pixso lifetime deal is worth grabbing before it's gone.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.